Peachtree 2008 giving you a headache in Windows 10. Let's fix that pesky firewall issue right now. First, we're going to open the Windows Defender firewall. Click on the Windows search bar located at the bottom left of your screen. Type firewall. You should see Windows Defender firewall appear as a search result. Click on it. A new window will open. Look for the option that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall on the left side of the window, and then give that link a click. You should see a list of applications. Before we make any changes, click on the Change Settings button located near the top right of the window. This will give you administrative privileges, allowing you to make changes. Now, scroll through the list to find Peachtree 2008. If you don't see Peachtree 2008 listed, click on the Allow Another App button and browse to the Peachtree 2008 executable file, which is most likely located in the Program Files folder. Once you located Peachtree 2008, you'll need to check the boxes next to it for both private and public networks. Making sure both private and public are ticked is crucial for Peachtree to communicate properly, regardless of your network setup. Finally, click OK to save the changes you just made. Now, try running Peachtree 2008 again. The firewall should no longer be blocking it. And that's it. Peachtree 2008 and Windows 10 are now playing nicely together. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.